Hello everyone. After having a brief introduction of diagrammatic presentation, now let us move on to making the diagrams, beginning with one-dimensional diagram in the form of single and multiple bar diagrams. A large number of diagrams can be made for the presentation of data. The various diagrams can be grouped as one-dimensional and two-dimensional, where one-dimensional diagrams consist of only one-dimensional measurement. For example, it can be height or length, or it can be weight, anything. Bar diagrams comprise a group of equi-spaced and equi-width rectangular bars for each class or category of data. These are further classified as simple bar diagrams, multiple bar diagrams, percentage bar, subdivided bar, broken bar, and deviation bar diagrams. We shall begin with simple bar diagram. Let us understand the construction of single bar diagram with the help of a numerical example. This numerical example is about exports in lakhs of rupees in different years. The information is that in 2010, exports were 60 lakhs of rupees. 2012 exports were worth rupees 100 lakhs. 2014 it was worth rupees 80 lakhs. 2016 it was worth rupees 60 lakhs, and in 2018 it was worth rupees 120 lakhs. Now this information has to be presented through a simple bar diagram. For that, first thing we need to take is x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis it is the years, and on y-axis exports will be taken. Then for one-dimensional diagram, one has to take care that the data is represented by bars and is in one dimension only, trying to say that only the length of each bar will vary depending upon the value of data. So far as width of each bar is concerned, it remains same, simply because there is no data assigned to the width, and this measurement is arbitrary. Also, one has to see that the gap between the bars also should be same. So trying to say that height, width and gap of the bars is to be chosen in such a way that all the data can be presented in an aesthetic manner. Now let us see how do we draw that. You only have to coordinate the points, as we have taken 2010 on x-axis, coordinate it with 60 lakhs of rupees, which is here. So you can have a point here. Have the width of the bar arbitrarily and then follow the same width for each bar. So you make a bar. Next case is 2012 to be coordinated with 100 lakhs of exports. So 2012, again the same width which is to be taken in the case of first bar, and length will be coordinated to 100 lakhs of rupees. Similarly, for the rest years, one can simply coordinate the value, so the length of the bar will vary, but width of each bar remains the same. Now let us understand about the multiple bar diagram. In this type of a diagram, you have two or more sets of data simultaneously to be represented. Let's have a look at this numerical example. Here you need to represent the data on the distribution of students according to the streams in a college in a multiple bar diagram. In 2015, number of students in art stream 400, in commerce 1000, in science 200. In 2016, it is 600, 500 and 600 simultaneously. In 2017, it is 700, 800 and 900 simultaneously. Now this data can be shown through a multiple bar diagram, and for that you need to take years on x-axis and the values of the variable, which is number of students, on y-axis. So keep plotting these values. First, for 2015, it is 400 for art students, so we have a point here. And for commerce, it is 1000, so we get these 2 points. And in science, it is 200. So this is the point. Now you need to make 3 bars for 1 year in such a manner that the width of each bar is same. Length will definitely vary simply because the values of variables, simply because the length is as per the values of the variable. Same process now you repeat for 2016. You need to make 3 bars adjacent to each other. For arts in 2016, there were 600 students. Here is the point. In commerce, 500 students. Here is the point. And in science, there were 600 students. So this is the point. So you make 3 bars for 2016. Similarly, you can have it for 2017. It is 700 for arts, this is the point, 800 for commerce, this is the point, and 900 for science, that's the point. So in each case you need to take into account that width of each bar should be same and length of each bar would be different depending upon the data. Such multiple bar diagrams are used to make comparison between the two sets of data, and it is so easy to compare if this information is provided through a multiple bar diagram. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Ecostudys channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.